Okay, I don't know how well this is going to work, but we're going to give it a try. I have a mockpro, which I will pull out. That is there. And I have several clips like that. And one of the things I want to do is I'm constantly wanting to attach this to something magnetic. So what I'm going to do is, let me get it set up here, making an idiot out of me. Not that it's hard to do. Is use that, get that in frame there, and then put a screw or something through there, so that way it will mate into there, so that way I can use this oh, of course, I don't have what I need in front of me. This. Also see how to put these things together. There we go. So this can attach to there, this can attach to here, and then this slides into there. So I went to the hardware store and picked up these. And what I did was I took this inside and went, hey, that fits in there. Although it doesn't fit very well. There's a lot of extra hanging out. So that won't work very well for here. And I'll also, I think, have to drill this out some. Yep, it just doesn't quite fit. So, first thing I want to do is I want to measure how long I need to make this to make it fit. And seriously? This is why I can't have nice things. I lose it. One moment. Okay, now that I've found the tape measure, find out how long we need to make this. So, I'm going to screw this into here and bottom it out like that. I'm going to take my fingers to mark that spot. And thank you, IKEA, for having a millimeter and inch. So it looks like about a 1/4 inch, or sorry, 10, 9, 8, 7 millimeters, or about a 1/4 inch. Yep. And then do that from here. So what would that be? 3/8? Just about. Or another 7 millimeters. So we're going to cut this thing down to 14 millimeters. And we'll get on that first thread there so we can count back threads. There we go. So 10 is there, 11 is there, 12, 13, 14. And that is the maximum. So we'll cut it down to 12, which would be removing 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do 4 threads and then round it off. So we're going to be super loud, and we're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 threads. So headphone users, cannot hold that by hand. Nope, and I have that set up for something else. So, I'm going to use my vice grips because that's going to get too hot to hold. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So right there. Alright, rest in peace, headphone users. So, as you can see, I finished there. Swipe my hand, and it's got kind of a rough edge. So what I'm going to do is round that off. Oop. Screen marker moved. So, now we have a reasonably hot screw. You could also dunk that in water. Now it's also still too big to go into here, so this is what I had that set up for earlier. So we are going to drill out that hole a little bit. So I have a drill bit that actually just fits in here, and we're just going to wallow it out a little bit because that's all it needs. So once again, rest in peace, headphone users. Okay, so now with just that little bit, that should fit in there. And it does. So, sorry, got a little bit of metal filings in there. Those will never come out. I mean, they could come out, but due to the magnetism, they probably won't. So, using an 11mm socket, put my marker back in. There we go. And then attach this end. No, may not cut off enough. Yep. So I was thinking ahead, and plus I don't like this kind of wallowing around like that. So one of the things I did is I bought some washers and nuts, which I'm not going to be able to use the washer, at least not after having cut it. So, get that on there. And go back to my pliers. There. And bolt this thing down. There. Oop. Yeah. Now this attaches to here. Excuse me. And this one backs down to make that tight. And I moved my camera out of the way as I was getting sparks on it. And so that slides in like that. Oh, backwards. There we go. Now I have a little camera mount, and if I was smart, I'd have some metal to set it on. Not quite magnetic enough. Almost. So now, when I'm working on cars and stuff like that, I can attach it to the hood and do that. So it'll make making those videos a little bit easier. Oh, I probably have that facing away. And mounting points. So, yeah. I think that'll work out nicely. It's actually something I've been wanting to do for a little bit now. So anyway, how to make a magnetic holder for your GoPro, because these are everything except for this housing here is all GoPro parts. Almost everything is a standard 1/4 inch 20 thread deal, and so I think I picked this up at Harbor Freight for 99 cents, and I picked up a bag of parts. I get a few more. And this is just what I have on my desk right now. But a bag of parts like that, and then also a chest and head one. I think I paid $20 for them all. So, but now I can use a magnetic instead of having to permanently affix it to something. So, I hope this helps you.